Today we are going to bash through a competitive math problem in algebra. Given that x and y are real numbers, and y squared minus 4xy plus 5x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0, find the value of d, where d is equal to x minus y. At first, it may seem impossible to solve two unknowns with only one equation provided, but you will see in a second that it is actually doable in this case. Now, I assume that you have tried to attempt this question, so let's proceed to the solution. When we see some squared terms in an equation, one thing we can try is to complete the square, well, if it hasn't been completed. And if you are smart enough, you will notice a negative 4xy term, which means we need an x squared term. But the 5x squared is too much for the first square. Therefore, it will be sensible to split it up into 4x squared plus x squared. Just in case you don't have sharp eyes, let's rewrite the equation into the a squared plus 2ab plus b squared form. And we can now complete the two squares at the same time. But how does this help us? Well, one thing you have to keep in mind is that any real number squared must be greater than or equal to 0. Because x and y are real numbers, we can apply this little property to our case. And notice that if we have the sum of two non-negative real numbers being 0, these two numbers must both be 0. Otherwise, the right-hand side of our equation will be greater than 0. Now, solving this little system of equations will give us the solution of x being equal to 4 and y being equal to 8. Lastly, let's compute d, which is equal to 4 minus 8, giving us the answer of negative 4. See you next time!